Hi students, today we are going to see about COCOMO model. First is CO for constructive and next is CO for cost and MO for model. So COCOMO is stands for constructive cost model. It was developed by Barry Boehm in the late 1970s. It is used to calculate the effort, development time and average staff size and productive. It is basically divided into two types, COCOMO 1 and COCOMO 2. First, we can see about COCOMO 1 model. COCOMO 1 model is further classified into basic model, intermediate model, and complete or detailed COCOMO model. First, in basic model, it estimates the software in a rough and quick manner, mostly used for small and medium-sized projects. It has three modes of development: organic, semi-detached, embedded. We can detailedly see about organic, semi-detached, and embedded model. First, organic. It will size around 2 to 50 kilo lines of code. K stands for kilo and LOC means lines of code. Kilo means 1000, so 2000 to 50,000 kilo lines of code if you are using in your project, then you can use organic. And semi-detached code model is if you are using 50 to 3000 kilo lines of code, then we can use semi-detached model. Otherwise, above 3000 kilo lines of code, we can use the embedded model. For organic, the team size will be small. If there are 3 or 4 members in one project, we can use the organic model. And in semi-detached, the medium size peoples. If 8 or 10 around peoples, we can use semi-detached model. And embedded model, large size of members, we can use this model. And developer experience, only small size of peoples we are using, only 3 or 4 members only involved in this project, so experienced developers are needed. And in semi-detached, average experience or developers are needed. And in embedded, freshers can be fresher people can be used. Next, environment, uh, or in organic, familiar environment. And in semi-detached, less familiar environment. And in embedded, almost new, that means fresher people can be used. And if we are using a new method or idea, means innovation. In organic method, a little innovation is used. And in semi-detached, middle innovation is used. And in embedded, almost a new software product is built. And deadline, there is no deadline for organic. We can submit the project in any time. And in semi-detached, there is a less tight. And in embedded, only tight deadlines. If we should submit that project in 2 or 3 months. And example for organic is payroll system. And semi-detached, utility system. Example, compiler design. And in embedded, air system. These are the equation for basic model. It is fixed. For effort, the equation is A of kilo lines of code power B. And development time, C of effort power D. And